Okay guys, 6:30 in the morning. Just woke up. Today we're going to finish painting the ute in colour and clear. Nice cherry black. Front end's ready. So we're going to get the car trailer and take it down to the panel shop, put it in the paint booth, clean her up, rub her down, give her some colour. Bloody freezing. Car's just been loaded up to go to, loading it up now. Going over to Crago's workshop to get painted. Okay. On the way to Heathcote, guys. She looks pretty cool up there. So it'll probably take us most of the morning to prep her, and then we'll have to mask her. So I will let you know how it goes once it's going.